Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you the installation of parcel tray strings. This is the Tiago 2021 top model XZA Plus, and if you can see this parcel tray here, it goes up on its own when I lift up the boot lid. So even on the top model of the Tiago, you don't get these parcel strings, which are very essential, to raise this parcel tray. You could push the parcel tray manually, and when you push it manually, it just goes up vertically like that, but I don't like doing that. I wanted it to be automatic, so I designed these on my own. What you need is these things over here, which are not from Tata but from Maruti, and I got these from a Maruti Swift. So this is a part number. It costs 16 rupees per piece, but I got them for free because the guy at Maruti, he knows me and he just had these spare. So these are a perfect fit for the Tiago. You just push them in, and what you need to do is get some string. So this string is actually kala dhaga, which is used for making those strings which are to ward off ailments. It hardly costs 2 rupees a meter. I used 8 meters of this string and braided it. You braid it so that it becomes a bit strong and thick. If you have any other strings like shoelaces, that's even fine. And what you need to do next is drill a hole on this corner and drill another hole on this corner, loop up the strings over here onto the two of these supports, and tie a knot over here. You could use just a thick knot so that the thing doesn't slip out of the hole, or put one of these balls or washers so that it gives you extra strength. And it's very nice, it doesn't snag when I open and close the boot. It's pretty good, very cost effective, and the total cost, hardly cost me 8 rupees in the cost of the strings to get this done. If you include the cost of those two parts from Maruti, less than 50 rupees, and it's really convenient. So give it a shot, and there's a link to read up on how it's done in detail on my Team BHP website. I'll put the link in the comments. Have a look and email me for any other problems. Okay, bye bye.